بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. خاکسار چند گھنٹے قبل سربیا سے اپنے ہیومنٹی فرسٹ کے 3 روزہ دورے سے واپس پہنچا ہے. سوموار 5 ستمبر کو یعنی کل سابق یوگوسلاویہ کے شہر بلغراد، جو کہ اس وقت ملک سربیا کا دارالحکومت ہے، اس شہر میں واقع نابینا بچوں اور بچیوں کے اسکول جس کا نام ہے ویلیکو رامادانووچ، اور اس اسکول کو جو یہ نابینا بچوں کا ہے، انگریزی میں اس کو کہہ سکتے ہیں اسکول فار ویژولی امپیئرڈ اسٹوڈنٹس، یعنی جن کی بینائی مکمل نہیں ہوتی ان کے لیے جو یہ اسکول ہے، اس کو آپ کہہ سکتے ہیں کہ یہ اسکول ایسے معذور بچوں کے لیے ہے جو پوری طرح جن کی بینائی بحال نہیں ہے. تقریباً 10,000 یورو کی مالیت سے اس اسکول کو بریل پرنٹرز جو کہ نابینا بچے اپنی تعلیم سیکھنے کے لیے استعمال کرتے ہیں، وہ ہیومنٹی فرسٹ کی طرف سے عطیہ دیے گئے. اور یہ اسکول جو ہے جس کو یہ عطیہ دیا گیا، یہ تقریباً 105 سال پرانا اسکول ہے اس شہر میں، اور بقول اسکول ڈائریکٹر کے یہ سربیا میں اس وقت سب سے بڑا اسکول ہے جو کہ نابینا بچوں کو تعلیم دیتا ہے. اور اس وقت اس اسکول میں مختلف عمر کے بچے اور جو بچیاں ان کی تعداد 115 ہے جو کہ زیر تعلیم ہے. اور اسکول کا جو سارا سٹاف ہے، کئی درجن وہاں پہ ٹیچرز اور دوسرا سٹاف موجود ہے، یہ بہت ہی محبت اور محنت کے جذبے کے ساتھ معاشرہ کے ان جو معذور اور مجبور بچے اور بچیاں ہیں ان کی خدمات بجا لا رہا ہے یہ جو سٹاف ہے. ہیومنٹی فرسٹ کے انچارج ہیں ندیم حاجی بولچ، جو کہ خود سربین ہیں. انہوں نے اسکول کی ڈائریکٹر جن کا نام یلینا ووکچ ہے، ان کی مدد سے تمام انتظامات کو مکمل کیا. اور ہیومنٹی فرسٹ کی ٹیم جب وہاں پہنچی تو بڑی ہی گرم جوشی سے اس ٹیم کا استقبال کیا گیا، اور تقریباً 3 گھنٹے اس ٹیم کو سارے اسکول کا وزٹ کرایا گیا، جس میں کلاس رومز، ان کے ریسورس سینٹرز اور اسی طرح جو ورک شاپس تھیں وہ سارے دکھائے گئے تفصیل کے ساتھ کہ یہاں پہ کیسا اور کس طرح کام ہوتا ہے. تو اس وزٹ کے دوران بعض نابینا طلباء و طالبات سے کچھ گفتگو بھی کی گئی سوال و جواب کی صورت میں، اور اسی طرح اساتذہ سے بھی کچھ بات چیت کی گئی جو آپ کی دلچسپی کے لیے اس ویڈیو میں پیش کی جا رہی ہے. سربیا کے دارالحکومت بلغراد میں نابینا بچوں کے اسکول ویلیکو رامادانووچ کی عمارت ہے. بچی سویٹر بننے کی کوشش کر رہی ہے، یہ بچی کچھ ڈرائنگز بنانے کی کوشش کر رہی ہے. اسی طرح یہ اپنے والدین کے ساتھ کچھ وقت گزار رہے ہیں. اسی طرح سالانہ فنکشنز ہوتے ہیں تو اس میں ڈگنیٹریز بھی آتے ہیں، والدین بھی آتے ہیں، عزیز و اقارب بھی آتے ہیں. اور Haji Bulich, he is presenting the donation to the director of the school on behalf of Humanity First. How old are you?
I'm 17 currently.
And how long you are in this school?
For 11 years from kindergarten, almost.
So, what are you doing now?
Now I'm in a law school, so we're learning about law, legal proceedings. I'm in the 3rd year currently, and yes, after that I will probably study law.
So can you write on this printer? So what did you write?
Here is Alexander Vučić.
How much is the population of Serbia?
About 8 million.
Can you write it?
Of course.
The population of Serbia is?
Okay, so the population of Serbia is around 8 million.
Okay, today we are here. The Humanity First has donated this braille printer to this school. Do you know it?
Yes.
And what is your expression or feelings about this donation?
I think that it's excellent. It's very good to have some new machines because this school always lacks machines. There are more students and everyone needs to write.
Sorry, I want to become a Serbian teacher.
Serbian teacher.
Yeah.
And
Serbian is my favorite language and I want to become a teacher. Okay.
So can you read what have you written?
I want to become a Serbian language teacher.
So can you read it? What have you written?
So my name
So
is...
can I ask you what is your name?
Yes, my name is Catherine.
Katharina.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old. I will be 18 years old.
And how long are you here in this school?
12 years too, like he. I'm here. What practical school?
From early,
Yes.
from preschool.
Okay, can you type on this that
Yes, of course.
I am living in Belgrad? Can you type it?
I live in Melancy.
Okay, wherever you live, can you type it? I want to record it.
Yes.
Please type it.
In English or in Serbian?
In any language, no problem.
Okay, I will read in English, in Serbian.
Okay. Can you type also that my name is Katharina?
Yes, of course I can.
Please. And if I ask you that how you feel about this donation of new printers, so what is your answer? Do you feel good or happy or what?
I feel good and happy.
Why?
Because now we have machines to write and
I was a student. I finished elementary school here.
For how many years?
8 years. I was here for 8 years.
And then where did you go?
Then I went to grammar school to my hometown. It is Loznica. It is also in Serbia, about 200 kilometers from Belgrade. And after my grammar school, I went to the university and I studied the English language and literature.
Do you think that this school, where were you for your elementary studies for 8 years, you think that this study in this school has helped you in the progress in your life?
Yes, of course. It helped me. I really acquired a lot of knowledge, and it influenced my profession. When I was at elementary school, I decided to study English and to be English teacher, and I was dreaming about being the teacher just at the school where I acquired my first knowledge, where I acquired daily skills where I gained independence and self-confidence, and especially skill of communication was important for my further development, both intellectual and emotional. And when I was at elementary school, it was the first time that I left home, and it was very important for my everyday life.
Okay, how was the attitude of teachers here when you first came in this school from human being point of view?
Yes, they really were willing to support us. They were willing to show us what the real life is. They didn't protect us much. They just wanted to show us what should we be, and they were doing on the development of all of our abilities.
And since how long now you are teaching in this school?
I have been teaching in this school since 2006.
2006.
Yes, I have been teaching in this school for 16 years now.
And you are satisfied with your job?
Yes, I'm really satisfied with my job.
So anything, because today we are here from Humanity. First we donated these braille printers. So what is your viewpoint about this donation?
Yes, this donation will be very, very useful, especially because I think that you know that we have become a resource center, and we are going to give all kinds of necessary support, both to our students and to all visually impaired students and teachers and their parents in Serbia. And I think it's very important, it's very precious, and thank you very much.
My name is Radmila Vidović. I work in a school for School for Visually Impaired Pupils Veljko Ramadanović in Belgrade. My position in this school is in adapting didactic tools for blind students and to prepare didactic aids for their subject classes. We have two techniques for making relief drawings. This is the one on a braille. You need this kind of basis from which you can get this braille drawing. And for this final product we use thermoform machine, and of course under the high heat and high temperature we get this drawing in final. And the second technique is made by Zufus machine. I will show you that machine later, and this is the way we do it. First we make a drawing in black and white. After that we print this drawing on special swell paper, and of course under the high heat we will get the relief drawing like this. This is the Zufus machine. If you put this drawing through Zufus machine, you see, under this heat, all the black lines will pop up.
And this popping up is because of the paper?
Yes, this is a special paper, and it is really expensive, and we are planning to buy some of those papers through donation.
So what is the difference between this technique and the other technique?
This one is quicker and easier.
please.
I'm Jelena Vukic, and I'm the director, as you already said, in this school. And I'm not so long in this school. I'm approximately 3 years here, but I work as a special teacher for 21 years. And I worked in another school, and then I came here to be a director. And I'm learning also about blind pupils and how to work with them, and how to adapt materials, how to do something that they can easily learn new things and be better persons in their lives.